Hi folks, happy Good Friday. I've just had a look on ScaleMates and apparently Tamiya are going to be releasing a brand new M36 US Tank Destroyer. Yes, this morning I was searching through ScaleMates like I do most days, and there was a new page created with box art for Tamiya, and they have announced allegedly that they will be producing or retooling their 1/35th scale M36 US Tank Destroyer. Now, they've had some history with this tank over the years because they originally tooled an M36 back in 1968. Where they released an M36 B2. Then 5 years later, they released it again in 1973 as a US tank destroyer, M36 Jackson, claiming that it has new parts and this new box art. Then a year later, they released it, US tank destroyer M36 1974, but they changed the box art. Then released again in 1975, and they claim it's new parts, but really it was going back to the old box art. And then there was one more release, reverting back to the 1974 box art. And I think that was the box art that majority of scale model shops had for sale. There's one scale model shop that said that they last had it in 2023, and they've not had it back in stock since. So whether, Tamiya decided to retire that tooling because they were now producing a new one, who knows? But yeah, I've not seen, me personally, I don't think I've seen them for sale for a long time. Personally, I think this is a great addition for Tamiya to come back with a new tooling of something that they produced back in 1968. I know that there was rumours, according to ScaleMates, in 2018 that they were going to rebox the Italeri M36 at some point, but that never came to fruition because it does say future on ScaleMates about that particular release. Anyways, there you go, a quick heads up for those who enjoy building their Tamiya tanks. You'll probably get lots of emails now saying, well, you can pre-order this from your local model store, and I'm looking forward to it. If you've got any more information about this tank, please email me or leave it in the comments, a link to where this has actually been announced elsewhere apart from on ScaleMates. And there you are. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified when I release a new video. It really does help the channel if you can be a subscriber. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. We have a Thursday night live stream where we participate and build on our workbenches. In one of the four corners will be another video or a playlist of content on my channel. And happy Easter. Have a great weekend. See you soon.